Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to on and off the flashlight or the torch at Samsung Galaxy phones. So it's very simple. You just scroll down and then here you have the toggle for the flashlight or the torch, and you tap it to on it and then it's blue, and you can tap it to off it. Then it's gray. Okay. Very simple, and you can change also the brightness. So let's go down in the menu, scroll down a second time, and below the icon now you have here written torch or maybe flashlight. It depends which language version you have. Tap on torch or flashlight, and now you can change also the brightness of the flashlight. On the flashlight for it, and now you can change the brightness, put it more or less, put it more white as you want. If you're done, put on done, and then you have changed the brightness for the next time. If you want to off the flashlight, just tap on the symbol. As I told you, then it's gray. And I hope I could help you with this video, and if you want, you can leave me maybe a thumbs up or give me a nice comment. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao!